Awesome guys, welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Got the keys to 99 square metres of awesome shedness. Let me hit the button, open up and see what we've got going on inside. Now this shed is fantastic. 22-degree pitch roof, built by Pull and Stand, classic T-Rib, looks wonderful in the ebony colour. Now come on inside. Oh, what do we got here? We have got 3 generations of Ford amazing muscle here. So when I designed the shed, the client specifically asked and said, hey, we're going to be putting solar panels on this shed. Good to see the solar panels are here. Eventually they'll actually be on the roof generating the electricity. But if we look up there, we put some extra strength up into the purlins and that. Made sure we checked it off with the engineers that it'd have the strength to take it. So, you know, what you want, we can sort it out. We've also designed this shed to have a 4-post hoist. The owner's got to get rid of his son's Falcon, but I don't know, it's looking pretty good here. And then he's going to have room for it. Follow me over and I'll just show you what we've got going on this window over here. So we've got 4 windows in the shed, 1 in each bay. We'll open this one up. Now check this out. Definitely shed with a view. We've got looking out over beautiful lakes, farmland there. Single glazed joinery we've done. This has all been done by City Glass in Hamilton. One of the things we put standard on our shed is the little venters as well. So you can open it up, but you can also have these little venting switch, classy touch. Just, you know, in Waikato Sheds, you want an excellent shed. So just another excellent piece of joinery made in the Waikato, really cap off for a great shed. So cool, so I showed you the windows inside. People go, what makes a Waikato shed so great? These are the sort of things that we do, habitable grade flashings. This is just no simple shed and a window popped in here. Pull and Stand have done these nice big wide flashings around the window so it's completely sealed, the same as if it was done to the house. So you got the head flashings, then you got all these side flashings. Just really excellent work and just what you can come to expect from a Waikato shed. Nice work guys. Alright, I know there might be a little bit of concern that this shed is only for the Ford fanboys, but don't worry, I spotted something for you Holden fans out there. Don't worry, we've got a hubcap sorted out for you guys, so you know, the shed's for everybody. Come on, let's have a look at some strength by design. As we always like to say, strength by design. Awesome knee brace in here. We've got the back-to-back portals, so you've got about a 219 here, so you've got excellent strength in here. This is a high wind zone, but this has just been designed to take the wind zone. We've got extra girts on both of the end walls, so we've got that strength there to hold the shed together. Make sure you've got a 50-year plus lifespan on it. And that's what we're doing. We also put the paper on the walls for this, so it can be lined in the future. It actually just keeps the shed nice and warm. And you'll see from the outside shots, and you can look up the top, we've also put an industrial ventilation fan in there, so it just keeps a nice airflow and keeps the shed ticking over. Just all these little tips and tricks and things that we can add to the shed just to make it excellent. So, well done to the guys, Pull and Stand for building it. Shaun and A1 Bobcats doing all the concrete. Garage Doors, Waikato Doors put these in. Did an excellent job. Konnect with all the fastenings. Metalcraft, Auckland does all the structure. Then all the colour steels coming from New Zealand steel and being rolled in the factory in Hamilton. So it's a huge effort, New Zealand made, Waikato made. That's what we love. Awesome guys, have a great day. Make sure, comment if you got any questions, comment below. I'm always keen to answer it. Like it, I love it when I get a like, you know, subscribe, share it with your friends and help us on it. Awesome guys.